When Dogecoin first hit the scene, it was nothing more than a meme, a joke based on a popular internet dog meme. Fast forward to today, and Dogecoin is no longer just a punchline. It's gaining massive traction, making headlines, and even catching the attention of some of the biggest names in tech and finance. So the question is Dogecoin finally going mainstream? In this video, we're going to take a closer look at what's happening to Dogecoin and whether it has the potential to become more than just a meme coin. Let's dive in. Dogecoin was created in 2013 as a parody of Bitcoin. It was never meant to be taken seriously, but it quickly gained a passionate following due to its fun nature and the beloved Shiba Inu dog logo. For years, Dogecoin remained under the radar, a favorite among small-time traders and internet meme lovers. But in 2021, everything changed. Suddenly, Dogecoin wasn't just a joke anymore. In early 2021, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, tweeted about Dogecoin repeatedly. That's when the meme coin went viral and its price exploded. Dogecoin saw an incredible surge in value, turning it into one of the top cryptocurrencies by market cap. And Musk wasn't the only celebrity backing Dogecoin. Mark Cuban, Snoop Dogg, and other influencers jumped on the bandwagon, giving the coin even more exposure. So, what's happening now? Dogecoin is no longer just a social media trend. It's starting to gain real-world use. Major companies have begun accepting Dogecoin as payment, including Tesla, which is allowing customers to buy certain products using Dogecoin. And that's not all. AMC Theaters also announced that they would accept Dogecoin for movie tickets, making it one of the first major entertainment chains to embrace the coin. This marks a huge shift for Dogecoin. It's gone from a speculative asset to something you can actually use in your everyday life. So, is Dogecoin finally making the leap from meme to mainstream? But it's not just about adoption. Dogecoin's community has become one of the most loyal and vocal in the crypto world. Whether it's through Reddit forums, Twitter, or Telegram groups, Dogecoin holders are constantly supporting the coin, encouraging its growth, and pushing for more widespread use. This grassroots support could be a major factor in the coin's mainstream success. And here's where it gets interesting. As cryptocurrency continues to gain popularity, Dogecoin is starting to be viewed as an entry point for new investors. Its low price, compared to Bitcoin or Ethereum, makes it more accessible for the average person looking to get into crypto without making a huge financial commitment. What's more, Dogecoin has a huge supply. Over 130 billion coins are in circulation. This could make it a more stable store of value than coins with a capped supply, like Bitcoin. The large number of coins in circulation means the price doesn't fluctuate as wildly, and its inflationary nature could make it a useful tool for small transactions, especially for micropayments and online tipping. But before you get too excited, there are still challenges for Dogecoin. Despite its rapid rise, it doesn't have the underlying technology or use cases of more established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's still seen by many as a speculative investment, and while it's gained traction, it has yet to prove itself as a serious contender in the world of decentralized finance or other blockchain applications. So, is Dogecoin finally going mainstream? The answer seems to be yes in a big way. With increased adoption, celebrity support, and a growing community behind it, Dogecoin is making its mark as more than just a joke. It's becoming a legitimate alternative currency that could shape the future of digital transactions. Whether Dogecoin will sustain its momentum remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: it's no longer just a meme. It's a force to be reckoned with in the crypto space. What do you think? Is Dogecoin truly becoming mainstream, or is it just a passing trend? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things crypto. Stay ahead of the curve, and always keep an eye on the future of digital currency.